In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request money through Wells Fargo Zelle. Whether you're splitting a dinner bill with friends or collecting rent from your roommates, requesting money has never been easier with Zelle integrated right into the Wells Fargo app. So let's dive in and take you through each step of the process one by one. First things first, open up the Wells Fargo mobile app. If you haven't installed it yet, you can easily find it on your app store, but we're guessing you're ready to go. Once you have the app open, go ahead and sign in using your username and password. If you've set up Face ID or Touch ID, you can use that for a quick and secure login. After you've signed in, your main screen should be in front of you, ready for action. Next, you'll want to tap on the Pay and Transfer option. You'll usually find this option situated right there on the bottom menu of the app. It's your gateway to making transactions or, in this case, requesting money through a trusted source. Simply tap on it and you'll be directed to an array of payment and transfer options, all conveniently laid out for ease of use. Now, from the list of options, go ahead and select Zelle R. It's one of the most efficient ways to send and receive payments directly between bank accounts in the US, and Wells Fargo makes it simple to access. Once you've tapped on Zelle R, you should see a screen with options tailored for your needs. On this Zelle screen, you will see a button labeled Request. This is the magic button you're looking for. It might be labeled as Request Money in some versions, so be sure to tap that. Now, you're on the right path to requesting those funds. Next up, it's time to pick your recipient. You have the option to choose someone directly from your Zelle contacts list if they're already in there. If not, you can simply enter their email address or US mobile number. A quick tip: make sure the person you're requesting from is enrolled in Zelle as well. This will ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Once you've selected your recipient, it's time to enter the amount you want to request. Just type in the desired amount you need. There's also an option to add a memo or a note. It's often helpful to include a reason for the request, just so the payer gets a clear understanding of what the payment is for. After you've entered all the necessary details, it's important to review everything one last time. Double check the recipient, the amount, and any notes you've added. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, tap the Send Request button. This action will send the request to the recipient, who will receive a Zelle notification with instructions on how to complete the payment. Finally, to keep track of your request, navigate to the Activity or Activity Requests tab in Zelle. Here, you can see the status of your request, whether it's pending, completed, or canceled, and there you have it. You've completed a money request using Wells Fargo Zelle effortlessly. Remember, staying organized with your financial transactions is easier now than ever, and Zelle within the Wells Fargo app makes it simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!